You wake up with a brilliant app idea, but you don't know how to code, you don't have a team, and you don't want to spend months learning. Normally, that dream just stays a dream. But what if I told you that with just a few simple prompts, you could go from that raw idea in your head to a fully working professional web app, complete with a database, responsive design, animations, and even live deployment all in minutes? That's the magic of DeepAgent by Abacus AI. It's not just a tool, it's like your personal full stack developer, researcher, and designer all rolled into one. It can analyze real data, plan the architecture, write clean front end and back end code, style it beautifully, and even connect to services like Google to extend your app further. The best part, you never have to write a single line of code. Just chat with it and it builds everything for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works step by step so you can see for yourself how powerful this really is. Let's jump in. Now, this is Abacus AI's official website. I've added the link down below in the description box of this video. The very first step is simple. Create an account if you don't already have one. Today, I'm going to show you how to take an idea in your head and turn it into a real-world web app using DeepAgent by Abacus AI. DeepAgent is like having a full development team inside one AI assistant. It can handle everything: setting up your database, writing the back-end code, building the front-end design, and even deploying your app live on the internet. And the best part, it does this in just a few minutes. Instead of writing complex code line by line, you simply describe what you want, and the AI does the heavy lifting. So let's get started. Here on the left panel, you can see that I've already tested this platform with a few chats, projects, and even some demo apps I created earlier. This panel is like your workspace where every conversation and project stays saved, so you can always come back and continue building. But before we dive into creating a new app, let me share an important tip. The quality of your result really depends on how well you describe your idea. If you just type something vague like, "make me a business app," you might get something too generic. Instead, the clearer and more descriptive you are, the more powerful the output will be. Now, if you're not sure how to describe your project clearly, no worries. You can actually talk through your idea with the AI itself. Think of it like brainstorming with a very smart business partner. You explain your rough concept, and it will help you refine the idea, suggest features you might not have thought of, and even generate a professional level prompt that's ready to be used for app creation. Another amazing feature is that DeepAgent can browse the internet in real time. This means it doesn't just rely on preset knowledge. It goes out, collects live data from different sources, and brings it back to you in a clean, structured summary. That's super useful when you're building something like a startup app because you'll want fresh market research, the latest tech recommendations, and maybe even competitor analysis. So let's switch over to chat mode, and I'll also enable the search the web option. This way, the AI can pull in live information while we chat. Now let's give it our first real input. Here's an example idea we'll use. What do you think about this startup app idea? Startup Copilot, an AI-powered platform where you simply input a business idea and instantly get market research pulled from live, up-to-date data, a suggested tech stack tailored to your idea, an auto-generated landing page with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript deployed live, and finally, an investor-ready pitch deck in PDF or slides format. Once I send this message, DeepAgent will begin analyzing the request. Behind the scenes, it's searching the web, combining that data with its own AI reasoning, and then packaging everything neatly for us. Now here's where the magic happens. Within just a few moments, we'll get a structured response that brings us a complete and detailed answer. Examples of existing competitors, reasons why this project could stand out and succeed, the potential challenges and risks to consider, suggestions for a minimum viable product, a proposed technical approach, as well as ideas for go-to-market strategy, monetization, integrations, and partnership opportunities. DeepAgent even gives you recommendations for your next steps, helping you move forward and continue building your idea into a real functioning product. So in this step, I go ahead and ask the AI, please transform this text into a well-structured prompt suitable for generating an app with DeepAgent. What happens here is very important. The AI will take all of that rich information and reorganize it into a professional, development-ready prompt. Think of it like a blueprint. Instead of just saying, make me an app, you now have a detailed set of instructions that cover design, features, technical stack, and even business strategy, all in one package. Now, one of the strengths of this process is flexibility. You are not locked into whatever DeepAgent suggests. You can review the generated prompt, remove anything you don't want, or add new ideas. And you don't have to use technical terms. You can simply type in plain English, and DeepAgent will understand and update the prompt for you. Let me give you an example. In my case, I want the web app to feel more modern and interactive. So I add this customization. I want the web app to include advanced animations such as smooth fade in and fade out transitions from the right, left, or bottom, along with clean scroll triggered animations. Set the overall theme to dark mode and apply gradient colors with spotlight effects using this palette. Of course, you can use any color theme you prefer for your project. Great. Now to finish up this chat, the last thing I'm going to ask is this. Please transform this text into a well-structured one-piece prompt suitable for generating an app with DeepAgent. Once that update is made, I now have a fully detailed prompt that describes exactly the kind of application I want to build. It looks professional, it's structured, and it's ready to be executed. The next step is straightforward. I copy the final prompt, and from the bottom left, select this DeepAgent option to start a new chat with DeepAgent. Here, all we need to do is paste the prompt and then click this icon. At this point, DeepAgent begins analyzing the prompt, and before it generates the app, it will usually ask a few follow-up questions. You can answer directly with your own preferences, or if you're not sure, you can simply instruct DeepAgent by saying something like, choose the most appropriate answers and move forward. This way, the AI will make the best decisions for you and continue without delay. Once that step is complete, DeepAgent will create a detailed plan. At this stage, you can review everything carefully. If you want to add new features, change the design style, or adjust the functionality, just tell it in plain English. If the plan looks good as it is, simply confirm by saying "sounds good," and the generation process begins. From there, DeepAgent gets to work. It starts by setting up the database structure for your app, then searches the web for live information to make your project more relevant. After that, it begins generating the application code along with the UI and UX design, everything from the layout to the animations and styling. This process may take a couple of minutes, but keep in mind, DeepAgent is doing in minutes what would normally take a team of developers hours or even days. It's also worth mentioning that errors or bad results are very rare. However, if something doesn't look right, or if you want changes, you can simply give feedback. For example, you might say, make the theme darker, or add a scroll-triggered animation, and DeepAgent will update the app for you automatically. Done generating. Now let's preview the result together. At the top, you see the title and right below it 3 main features. Next is the main input area. Start your market research. Here you just type your business idea. The more specific, the better. Under that, we have 3 drop-downs. Target audience, who you're building for. Startup budget, your financial range. Industry, the sector you're entering. Once you fill these out and submit, the AI generates a full report: competitors, market size, growth trends, and risks. Basically everything a founder needs, all in minutes instead of weeks. That's the power of DeepAgent, turning a simple idea into a working, research-ready app. Now I have just created a real professional web app that, based on the business idea the user provides, automatically searches the best sources on the internet, gathers real-world data, and structures everything in the smartest way possible. With its AI power, it delivers results you can actually rely on. Really crazy, right? You also have the ability to review both the database and the source code of the app. Now, let's say we want to make some changes. For example, I want to add a 3D model to this app as well as a simple footer. That's going to be super easy. All I need to do is type a prompt like this. Update the app by adding a responsive full-screen 3D spline model section between the header and the dashboard using this embed code. Right here inside these parentheses, we'll embed a 3D model from Spline. It's super simple, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Additionally, create a modern, minimal footer at the bottom of the page that complements the overall design and stays responsive on all screen sizes. That's it, just one prompt. So now we need a 3D model. For that, head over to spline.design and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're in, look at the left panel and click on Community. Here you'll find tons of 3D models created by other users. You can pick any model you like, remix it, customize it, and use it in your project. For this demo, I'm going to use a model I found, and I've also included the link down below in the description of this video. Once the model page loads, click on Remix. This opens up the spline editor, where you can adjust the design and prepare it for export. The first thing I usually do is zoom out so the whole design is clearly visible. To do that, just switch the viewport to camera and use your mouse scroll to zoom out a little. From the left-hand dashboard, you also get access to every element of the design. You can resize objects, change colors, and even update any text if the model has some. Once you're happy with the result, hit preview to see how it looks, and then click on export. Wait a few seconds, and Spline will generate an embed code. Just copy that code. Now head back to DeepAgent, paste the embed code right inside the parentheses of our prompt, and hit submit. And that's it. Now we just wait to see if DeepAgent is smart enough to follow our request. Based on the prompt, it should add the 3D model and the footer to the existing project without changing anything else. And here's the result. It successfully added the 3D model as a full screen element. Everything looks clean, and the footer turned out amazing too. Honestly, the result is even better than I expected. Now, as usual, once your project is finished, the final step is deployment, putting your web app live on the internet so anyone can access it. At the top right of the page, you'll see the Deploy button. Once you click it, DeepAgent gives you a few options. You can publish it directly on Abacus AI's domain, or if you prefer, connect your own custom domain or even a free subdomain. The choice is yours. Deployment happens almost instantly. The moment you confirm, your website is live and ready for the world to see, test, and use. Just like that, you've gone from an idea to a fully functional professional web app, complete with AI-powered features, a custom 3D model, and a modern footer, all without writing a single line of code. This right here is the true power of DeepAgent by Abacus AI. We started with just a few simple prompts, and the AI handled everything, from building the database, writing the full code, adding animations and functionality, all the way to deploying our app live, all in one single tool. It's honestly mind-blowing how you can create a complete professional web app without writing a single line of code. It's really as easy as chatting. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you faced any issues or if something wasn't clear, just drop a comment down below and let me know. I'll be happy to help. I'll be back soon with another exciting tutorial. So until then, take care and keep building amazing things with AI.